student, today we are going to discuss very important topic of our business study chapter, in which we will discuss the principles of management. Right? Principles are basically general guideline or instructions. On the basis of these guideline and instruction, any manager can achieve their target in very comfortable manner, economically and efficiently. And now we will discuss the features of the principles of management, or we can say natures of the principle of management and characteristics also. So nature of principle of management, first is universal acceptability, in which these principles are applicable in each and every field of the society. It doesn't matter if we are working in any particular organization or school or hotel, but everywhere you can apply these principles without any hesitation. Even in your home you can also utilize these principles. Now second one is the general guidelines. These are the general guidelines for the managers. On the basis of these guidelines, the manager can complete their task economically and efficiently. Formed by the practice and experiment. These principles are basically formed after enough experiment and practice. Regular research is going on in the matter of the principle. Practice is going on, then these principles are formed. Next one is the flexibility. These principles are not rule of thumb. These are flexible. It can be adjusted according to the need and want, or we can say external or internal environment we will observe, and on the basis of that we will utilize these principles. Next one is mainly behavioral. Means it is directly associated with the behavior of the person, and according to the behavior of the person we will apply the principle, right? Because just like we can say in motivation, different theories are there. X theory is there, Y theory is there, how we will deal with the different kind of peoples. Next is the cause and effect relationship. What are the causes and what will be the effect? This will be the main thing in the principle. Cause and effect relationship will be found in the principle of management. And last one is these are contingent. Depends upon the external or internal situation. Then we will apply these principles. So in this video I am explaining you only the principles of management, and we have already discussed 7 principles. First one is universal acceptability, based on practice and experimentation. Contingency is there, cause and effect relationship is there, and these are formed. These are the general guidelines, and mainly behavioral. So this much is enough for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.